okay? The other thing that we're going to talk about today is that all the classes you're going to at school are helping you for what you might do someday as a job in your life, okay? Your math is helping you, your reading is helping you, your science is helping you.
The cool thing about this is that it can pretty much go anywhere. What this does is simulates, let us test our programs. So this is a program someone made last year. It just mills out the omega symbol. So on a real machine, you would have a big old block of aluminum or steel or whatever kind of metal you're working with. I learned how to set up the machine, put this block of metal in, and make these basic curves and internal curves. So that's a lot of what you do during your junior and senior year, really all of it. All the juniors are getting into this, so as soon as pretty much all
You got anything else you want to hit on? Any certifications? Anything?
we do get a couple certifications. The biggest one, operate in the workplace. We do get our yellow belt, which is learning how to take all this stuff and make it run faster to a certain extent.
It's an efficiency type of thing, so you know, making sure that everything's running smoothly. You know, you want to.
Who wants to come up and repair a tire? Start with
Because we help other companies where they need help. So Mac Tools doesn't know how to screen print, right? They know how to make tools, but they have that opportunity. They have customers that want to buy products that are
C++,
screen.
JavaScript, HTML.
Yes. A lot of CAD. Yeah.
Like go around like this to pick things up and move things around. Inside each of those joints is a certain...
Okay, so our company is ISC Technologies. So go ahead. We're going to show you how to make urethane foam. So you take a liquid and you mix another liquid with it. And when you make two liquids and you mix them together, what do you get? A liquid? Liquid, right? That's what we're going to have as a liquid, right? Everybody knows it's going to be a liquid, right? What is it going to be, Carly? No, it's not. I thought you were the foam expert. It's going to be foam. It's going to be a solid.
I got that right.
And it reacts really quick. And it becomes a solid really quick, just like this. This is the cup that we did, right? Hard. Solid. Okay, go to the next slide, Thomas. So the chemicals that go into urethane foam, they come from all over the world. Okay? And they come in different kind of containers. They come in totes, they come in drums, computers, and then these are motor drives that control conveyors and pumps and different things on our foam machine. So go to the next slide, Thomas. So this is the mixed area of our foam machine, right? So you see, this is pretty big, right? It's taller than this room, and it has all these wires and all these cables and all these things that are coming out that actually mix all the
Ben was the only one building it. Ben, you wanted to build something?
I'm going to continue to indulge in amazing and refreshing those like that.